Hello students, let us look at a sum. Find the value of k for which the system of equations 2x minus 3y is equal to 7, k plus 1 times x plus 1 minus 2k times y is equal to 5k minus 4 has infinitely many solutions. Now for solution, let us consider the standard form of the system of linear equations. Here it is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Now write the equations given in question in standard form, and therefore the given equations written in standard form is as follows: 2x minus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0, k plus 1 times x plus 1 minus 2k times y minus 5k minus 4 minus 5k minus 4, this is equal to 0. Comparing both the systems and the coefficients we have, here a1 is 2, b1 is minus 3, c1 is minus 7. Similarly, a2 is k plus 1, b2 is 1 minus 2k and c2 is minus 5k minus 4, written here. Now we also know that for infinitely many solutions, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. That means all the three ratios of the coefficients of x, ratios of the coefficients of y, and ratio of the constant terms must be equal for infinitely many solutions. Now putting these values from here, we have 2 by k plus 1, a1 is 2 and a2 is k plus 1, 2 by k plus 1 is equal to minus 3 by 1 minus 2k is equal to minus 7 by minus 5k minus 4. Simplifying, we have 2 by k plus 1 written as it is, multiplying numerator and denominator by minus 1 to make it positive. This is 3 by 2k minus 1 and minus minus gets cancelled. This is 7 by 5k minus 4. Now out of these three ratios, take any two ratios. I have taken here the first two ratios. Thus taking the first two ratio, we have this two ratio, multiply it crosswise, 2 multiplied by 2k, that is 4k, and 2 multiplied by minus 2, that is 4k minus 2. This is equal to similarly 3k plus 3, and this gives us k is equal to 5. Similarly, you can take these two and you will get k is equal to 5. You can take also this ratio and solve it. It will be going to be k is equal to 5. That means k is equal to 5 is a solution. If you take any two ratios and evaluate k is equal to 5, then you must check whether this condition is satisfied or not. Now we have verified this. Verification of the ratio 2 divided by, if k is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6, minus 3 divided by 5 to the 10, 1 minus 10, that is minus 9, minus 3 by minus 9. Similarly, minus 7 by 20, minus 21. Here it is 1 by 3. It is also 1 by 3. It is also 1 by 3. Therefore, this is true. Hence, k is equal to 5 is the right answer. Thus, for k is equal to 5, this system is going to have an infinitely many solutions. Okay, thank you. दूसरे वीडियो के लिए